Push the dog clutch in to engage the drivetrain for powered winching. Retract the locking pin and pull the dog clutch handle out to disengage it. Remember to flip the locking pin back in place afterwards. Now you can spin the drum freely. When the dog clutch is disengaged, you can use the drum's pin lock as a hard stop to hold the drum in place. Adjust the drum position until one of the holes on the brake disc lines up with the pin lock hole and insert the pin. Do not drive the winch with the pin lock inserted. If you want to hand crank the winch, disengage the dog clutch and insert the crank handle into the drum axle. Do not leave the crank handle in the axle when you're not actively hand cranking. During hand cranking and freewheeling, you can use the manual brake to help control the winch's speed or stop it.